Introduction to modules and packages. Modules and packages are essential features of Python that allows you to organize and structure your code into reusable units. Modules are individual Python files containing variables, functions, and classes, while packages are directories that contain multiple modules and an optional special file named __init__dot py. In this section, we'll cover how to work with modules and packages in Python. So first, modules. A module is a Python file containing Python code. It can define variables, functions, classes, and other objects that can be used in other Python files. You can import modules in your Python scripts using the import statement. If you see here, example of importing a module where I'm saying import math. So in this example, we are importing the math module, which provides various mathematical functions. We then use the sqrt function provided by the math module to calculate the square root of 25 in the print function over there. Using aliases. You can use aliases to provide alternative names for modules, making them easier to reference in your code. So instead of calling math.squareroot in the previous one, we can just say we import the math module with the alias m. We then use the alias m to call the square root function from the math module. I know it's not a big deal, but it's a little bit sometimes helps. Importing specific items. You can import specific items, variables, functions, and classes from a module using the from keyword. In this example, we import only the square root function from the math module using the from keyword. We can then use square root function directly without specifying the module name. So you don't want to have to export the entire module, but just a function. Packages. A package is a directory containing one or more Python modules and an optional __init__dot py file. The __init__dot py file can be empty or contain initialization code for the package. This is how a package looks like, where you have a my package and you have the init file and then you have other modules in there. To import modules from a package, you can use the dot notation. So from the above package, I can say import my package.module1. So you're just importing the first one. So in this example, we import the module 1 and then module 2 modules from the my package and call functions or classes defined in these modules. Subpackages. Packages can contain subpackages, which are packages within packages. You can import module from subpackages using nested dot notation. In this example here, we import the module 3 module from the subpackage called as subpackage of my package and call functions or classes defined in this module. Modules and packages are powerful tools for organizing and structuring your Python code, allowing you to create reusable and maintainable code bases. By using modules and packages effectively, you can improve code organization, reduce duplication, and enhance code usability in your Python projects.